welcome to our channel We Parents. Today we have decided Riyan's day out. This is beginning of winter, so we are going to Nal Sarovar.
Hi, it's 5:15 in the morning. We are leaving from our home. Hopefully Riyan will enjoy bird watching and boating experience there. Hope we see many birds there. So let's go.
Yeah. Hello guys, we have reached to Nal Sarovar. As you can see, this is the parking area. Hello. Here you can see the charges for boating. Three adult, one child. As you can see, I have paid for the car parking. The charges are 500 rupees, which includes entry ticket. And now we are going to Nal Sarovar.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the bed.
We have reached to the main parking area, from where we are going to start our boating.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
This is the public notice. Do's and don'ts.
Hello. So we are here. We are in the boat. This is our boat ride and this is our boat riders.
Mr. Shohid. Nal Sarovar is one of the largest wetland bird sanctuary of Gujarat and one of the largest in India. Nal Sarovar is spread over approximate 120 square kilometer and have 360 small and big islands. Here you can enjoy boating, bird watching, horse ride, traditional Kathiawadi lunch and much more. It is about 64 km from Ahmedabad. One can reach here by private vehicle easily. The best time to visit is winter from November to February, especially in December. The advisable time to reach is before sunrise. Millions of birds visit this lake in winter. Here you will see few of the migratory birds like purple moorhen, pelicans, flamingos, white storks, Brahmini ducks, seagull and many more. And if you are planning to visit, don't forget to bring gathiya, a Gujarati snack to feed the birds. Here at Nal Sarovar you have to bargain with boat riders, but we had booked priorly so that we could save our time and could Wow, we are enjoying a lot.
સરોવરના ફરતે 52 ગામડા છે. 52 ગામના માણસો આ જ પાણી પીવે છે અને એમની રોજી રોટી પણ આ સરોવર પર જ છે.
This is Indian drongo bird, which is expert in doing mimicry. These all are purple moorhen birds. They love to be in grass. Seems you are enjoying. This is Kamalwadi, very beautiful lotus. Wow. There are different types of lotus. Now we are going to Square Island. Square Island, which is also called as Chorakhali Island. It is called as square because of its square shape. You can see the square shape. Photo location point, and you can see the Kashmiri Jaliri grass, and the height of this grass is almost 12 feet. All the locations will be guided by your boatman only, and we are here enjoying a lot, and we have clicked so many photos over here also. And now we are going to another location. Now we have reached to Dhabla Island, where we are going to have our lunch. And if we get some time, then we will do some rest as well. Now this is the place where we are going to have our lunch. We have reached around 9 o'clock over here. It took approximate 1.5 hours to reach at this place. In a very nice atmosphere. It's a tasty adrak tea. I'm enjoying.
He's playing there.
Here there are so many small live kitchens. You can opt for any. There is a good and enough space for resting as well. आप क्या बना रहे हो?
बाजरे की रोटी,
बाजरे की रोटी.
बैंगन का भरता, आलू की सब्जी, सेव टमाटर वाली सब्जी, बाजरा डोला, चटनी और गोला छाछ.
Wow, a delicious plate is ready. આવો બહુ મજા આવી આંટી.
આવો તો અહીંયા આવજો નળસરોવરમાં જમવા.
ઓકે ચોક્કસ.
આવજો.
ચલો બાય.
બાય. આવજો તમે જમવા. જરૂર આવજો.
Okay. Now we are leaving from the island and it was very yummy food. See you to the next point. So finally, after enjoying a lot and having a lunch, we are going back from the Dhabla Island. When you are at Nalsarovar, you also try this. It is one of the best in lifetime experience. Yes.
By 11 a.m. and we had so much fun. It was a very good experience. Riyan also enjoyed so much. If you guys are visiting Nal Sarovar with a kid, there are few things I would like to share with you. Make sure if you're going in winter morning, you take proper winter wear for your kids because it will be cold in morning but afternoon will be little hot. So also make sure that you carry a changeover, an extra pair for your kids. Whenever you go out with a kid, make sure you don't forget two things, water and food. Throughout the boat ride, you won't get water and food anywhere except Dhabla Islands. If you are planning to go to Nal Sarovar in noon or late evening, make sure you have a mosquito repellent with you. Other than that, carry disposable bags. Do not throw plastic or garbage in water. Try to keep it clean. That's it, guys.
Now we came back. Here also there is a walking space, a garden where you can chill out with your family and friends. This is Interpretation Center. where we can get some information about birds. Now we are heading from Nal Sarovar and going back to Ahmedabad. And now see what's the plan. We'll see what we can do for today.
Make sure you visit Nal Sarovar in December, January, February to see the migrating birds. It's a very beautiful weekend getaway to bond with nature. A lovely place to visit with friends, family and kids. Do visit and let us know your experience by commenting down below. If you find our video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, We Parents.
Now we are fresh and we had done enough rest and we are going for dinner. After Riyan's achievement, we couldn't celebrate as we were busy with festivals and other things. So after Nal Sarovar, finally I decided to go for a dinner date, and we all three of us are going for dinner now.
So here we are at Novotel. Pawan has planned a small family dinner for us. Riyan, say hi. So we had our dinner at Novotel. We enjoyed a lot. The day was very nicely planned and executed. Hope you liked the day out with Riyan.
If you liked our content, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.
Bye.
Bye.